welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus, and of course it is the 31st of January 2024. I'm your guide to everything crypto, Nike Oshunniyi. Let's jump straight into the headlines. Coming up, Nigerian cryptocurrency leaders share thoughts on SEC's 500 million naira license demand for local businesses. Right after, Germany grabs 50,000 bitcoins worth $2.17 billion in epic operation. Shifting gears, SEC drops case against cryptocurrency startup debt box after inaccuracy admission. Finally, Jack Dorsey's block trims down layoff staff for a leaner operation. Upcoming events and more to come. But quickly on market rates today, Bitcoin's at $42,000, Ethereum's at $2,000, BNB's at $303, Solana is at $99, and dollar to naira rates are still above 1,000 naira to a dollar. Now let's get you updated on the crypto weekly news. We begin with a twist as in late 2023, the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, lifted a 3-year-long ban on bank crypto exchange transactions. Shortly after, the CBN approved the Africa Stablecoin Consortium ASC to pilot a C Nigerian token set to launch on the 24th of February. Now the token will be pegged 1-to-1 to the Nigerian naira and backed by naira reserves in designated banks. Now post-announcement, reports revealed a minimum upfront capital requirement of 500 million naira, which is equivalent to $556,620 for licensing in the Nigerian cryptocurrency industry. Stakeholders varied in their response. In a conversation with TechNext, industry leaders like Obi Naiwuna, Nathaniel Luz, and Chris Annie shared their views. Iwuna sees CBN's move as a positive step, emphasizing it's a gradual process for industry development. Chris Annie, on the other hand, agrees, acknowledging the unclear regulations, but deeming it a welcome development. Iwuna anticipates CBN providing infrastructure and guidelines post-embargo, suggesting open source e-naira on cryptocurrency exchanges for increased adoption. Coming up next in our next story, in a major move, German authorities have seized $50,000 Bitcoin worth, which is equivalent to $2.17 billion, marking the country's most expensive cryptocurrency confiscation to date. Justin Police led the operation, collaborating with Federal Criminal Police Office, the FBI, and a Munich-based IT firm. The focus was on individuals linked to a defunct German piracy site until 2013. Now, the bitcoins traced to illicit platform proceeds were voluntarily transferred to official wallets provided by the BKA. While no formal charges are filed, authorities are investigating potential money laundering. Now, the ongoing inquiry leaves decisions on the confiscated bitcoins pending, echoing past high-profile cryptocurrency seizures like the U.S. government's actions against Silk Road. Cryptocurrency assets continue to play a significant role in global law enforcement efforts, with the U.S. holding around $9.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. In recent updates, the Securities and Exchange Commission is withdrawing its lawsuit against cryptocurrency startup debt box, citing inaccuracies in court statements. Now, the SEC filed the lawsuit last July, but has now expressed its intent to dismiss the case without prejudice, allowing for potential refile in the future. The agency acknowledged its prior inaccurate statements and failure to meet court expectations. Despite criticism from Judge Robert Shelby, the SEC argued against sanctions on its lawyers, maintaining that they were unnecessary. Now, the initial lawsuit accused Debtbox of defrauding investors of $49 million through misrepresented node licenses. Now, the case, while set for dismissal, leaves the door open for potential future actions by the SEC. Wrapping up our news today, Block Inc., the financial payment processing firm co-founded by Twitter's Jack Dorsey, has reportedly let go of over 1,000 staff members. This move, aimed at streamlining operations, affected approximately 10% of the company's workforce across its Cash App, foundational, and square divisions. Dorsey explained the decision, stating this: "We decided it would be better to do at once rather than arbitrarily space them out." Former employees have shared their farewell messages on LinkedIn, with Shayna Bullock expressing a mix of anticipation and disappointment given prior warnings of impending cuts. Now that wraps up this week's cryptocurrency news here on Crypto TV Plus. If you are hungry for more juicy market updates and the latest buzz in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, head over to our website at cryptotvplus.com. Catch us on our social media as well, as we are on Facebook and X at Crypto TV Plus, on Instagram as well as at official Crypto TV Plus. Don't miss out on our daily scoop by subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. And hey, got burning questions about any of our news or any of our stories? Drop them in the comment section below and let's get the conversation started. Big thanks for tuning in. I'm once again Nike Oshunniyi, and until next time, stay crypto savvy.